Automatically highlight the active row and column in Excel. When you work with a large Excel worksheet, it is easy to lose track of the active cell. Here are 2 ways to highlight the active row and column automatically. Method 1. Use Excel's built-in Focus Cell feature. Focus Cell is available in Excel for Microsoft 365, so users of other Excel versions should use Method 2. In Excel for Microsoft 365, go to the View tab and click Focus Cell. Excel immediately highlights the row and column of the active cell. As you move to another cell, the highlighting follows your selection automatically. To change the highlight color, open the Focus Cell menu and choose Focus Cell Color. Excel immediately updates the active row and column with your selected color. This feature is built into Excel for Microsoft 365 and is quick to turn on. However, its biggest limitation is compatibility because it is not available in other Excel versions. It also provides fewer customization options for how the active row, column, and cell are highlighted. For broader compatibility and more display choices, use the second method. Method 2. Use Grid Focus in Kutools for Excel. First, download and install Kutools for Excel, and then open your workbook. Kutools supports Excel 2010 through 2024 and Excel for Microsoft 365, giving more users access to this feature. Go to the Kutools tab and click Grid Focus to enable it. The active row and column are highlighted instantly, and the highlight moves automatically whenever you select another cell. For more customization options, click the arrow next to Grid Focus, and then select Grid Focus Settings to open the dialog box. In the Grid Focus Settings dialog box, you can choose different highlight shapes. Select a wide stripe, hollow, or line style. Customize the color. And adjust the transparency. You can also control whether Kutools highlights the active cell area or the area being edited. The Preview section lets you check the result before applying the settings. Click OK. The active row and column will immediately update to the new appearance. Grid Focus can also work across multiple open Excel files, so the experience stays consistent. Kutools has offered this type of worksheet highlighting for more than 10 years, long before Focus Cell appeared in Excel for Microsoft 365. If you use Excel for Microsoft 365 and only need basic highlighting, Focus Cell is a convenient built-in option. But for more Excel versions, more styles, and greater control, Kutools Grid Focus is the more flexible choice.